Hello friends, today's video is all about improving our health and being 100% healthy always. So I'll be sharing with you two recipes that help improve my health. I'm free from diseases, sicknesses, and always so healthy. So this is the first recipe, and the first thing you need for the first recipe is carrots. Yes, carrots has a lot of potassium in it to help with your blood pressure, to regulate your heart so you don't suffer from blood pressure issues, as well as the beta carotene in carrots equally help to cleanse your organs, cleanse your blood, and make sure your system is clean and healthy from the inside. Plus it has vitamin A, vitamin E, a lot of vitamins and minerals you need for the proper functioning of your system, as well as good health and beautiful skin. So these are the carrots. You need 2 to 3 carrots you slice and set aside. The second very powerful ingredient I add is some lemon. Lemon has a lot of good citric acid in to help flush all the sodiums in the system, causing blood pressure, causing weight gain, slowing down the metabolism, and activating the system to flush all bad stuffs like bad fats, causing fatty liver, weight gain, and optimize your system to be so healthy from the inside. This is very important. You want to evolve with your health as well, improve your life, and most especially your health, and this is it. So this is the lemon sliced and set aside. The third very powerful ingredient I use for this recipe, which is very cleansing, is beetroot. These are very cleansing. Beetroots cleanse your entire internal system, flushes toxins out of your system, and improves your blood flow, cleanse your blood as well, and leaves your system so healthy from the inside. Yeah, so this is it. One beetroot you want to slice and set aside. This equally ensures you have enough blood in your system. You are never short of blood, causing anemia and the rest. So this is a very healthy root vegetable. Now, to make this even more cleansing, I add some cucumbers because they support the system to detox itself, to flush toxins out, cleanse the system, and optimize your liver as well, to in turn flush all the bad stuffs from your system. Remember, your liver is the engine. You always want to optimize it, and cucumbers do that job for you. So this is one cucumber. This is a cucumber. This is English cucumber, so it looks like not cucumber, but it is cucumber. So the next thing I add, not a lot of ingredients, I add some ginger, and I add 2 thumb sizes of ginger. Like this recipe, just from the ingredients, you can see every bad thing from your system will be out. So you need 2 thumb sizes of ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties in it to help flush all the gases in your tummy, sodium, salts, causing diabetes, blood pressure, and equally boost your metabolism so you can flush fats out of your system and end up so healthy from the inside, leading to a healthier, longer, and beautiful life. So these are 2 thumb sizes of ginger you want to slice and set aside. The last ingredient I add is these grapes, red grapes. This contains a very powerful enzyme called resveratrol, which helps for longevity. It helps you live long because of the antioxidant level in these grapes. It contains a lot of antioxidants to promote a healthier and longer life because it fights the effects of free radical causing cancer, causing health issues. So this is a very powerful one. You want to try this at least once a week to optimize your health, improve your health. Don't just improve your life on other aspects. Try this recipe once every weekend. Trust me, you will love it. I have 2 of the recipes I will be sharing with you. One more, like the best that helped me improve my life. As soon as I drink just a cup of these, I feel so good from the inside. I feel so healthy, so energetic, and I hardly visit the hospital with these recipes I'll be sharing with you today. So, this is it. Basically, just get your your juicer and juice out the and juice out your drink. Yeah. Oh wow. So this is it. Just juice out the vegetables, the fruits, yeah. And I always love to juice because it is concentrated than blending, because blending means you add in some water. So juicing is concentrated because no water is added here. You get everything 100% into your system. That is why a recipe like this is better to be juiced. So if you don't have a juicer, ask me, I can link you up. This is so good. You see, it does the job real good. And yeah, so this is it. Give it a good mix. As I mentioned, drink all of this. This is for you. Be selfish with this. Don't share with anyone. Drink all of it at least once every week. This will save you thousands of dollars spending for hospital bills, and you will be always healthy with beautiful skin. So this is the second recipe now I'm about to share with you. This is it, another tall glass of wealth. This one is a deep flush. This one flushes all bad fats from the system, toxins, waste. As you can see, this is cabbage, which helps to flush all bad stuff from the system, bad hormones, toxins, waste, bad fats. Cruciferous vegetables are very powerful when it comes to giving your inner system a cleanse. So this is it. You want to get half a cabbage. Make sure you wash thoroughly, and we will get the juice out of this to flush the system and make sure all those bad things are out, and you end up so healthy from the inside. Yeah. So I just washed this, and yeah, so just set it aside because I washed with vinegar, and so it is really clean and good for consumption. The second ingredient I add is apple, and you can see I added two different kinds of apples, the green and the red. The green has its own benefits. The green is more good for cleansing, fat burning. The red has more antioxidants. So a mix of the two makes everything just so powerful. Yeah. So you can use one green and one red. Yeah. So this is it. They cleanse your liver as well. Support your liver to in turn flush all bad stuff from the system. Plus all the antioxidants in here help to fight the effects of free radical, causing issues like cancer, all those terrible diseases. You need antioxidants to fight them for you, and they are loaded in apples. Apples contain a lot of antioxidants. So this is it. Set that aside, your apple, and yeah, very important. The next thing I add is lemon. If you notice, I use a lot of lemon in my ingredients because that citric acid in lemon is very powerful at flushing sodiums in your system, causing blood pressure, fats in your system causing fatty liver, diabetes, and the rest. So lemons are very good if you want to stay healthy, plus they boost your immune system and ensures you are always just so healthy from the inside out. So this is it. Slice, and you want to set that aside. Very important. Plus, these are loaded with a lot of vitamin C for beautiful, healthy skin. So don't forget about that. If you have some mint at home, go ahead and add some mint in here, or any green leafy vegetable of your choice. You can just add in because of the chlorophyll to intense the flushing process. Yeah, so I have mint. If you have spinach, if you have a kale, any green leafy vegetable, just a few stems you just add in. Watch how this will give your system a thorough cleanse. And now the last thing I add, very last, is a thumb size of ginger. Remember, ginger is thermogenic to heat up the system to flush all bad stuffs out, like bad fats, gases in the system, sodiums, causing sicknesses like blood pressure, diabetes. Like this cleanses all those bad stuffs, and plus help you flush fats so you end up with a healthy body size as well without excess fat in your system. So, this is it. The thumb size of ginger. Wash, peel, and slice up into tiny little sizes you can easily get into your juicer. Now we are juicing again. So, as I mentioned, recipes like these, I always like to juice. Yeah, I always like to juice because juicing is more concentrated than blending. When you juice, you don't add any water and you get all those nutrients you need into your system. So get yourself a juicer, please. If you are a healthy lifestyle lover, get yourself a juicer. I'll leave a link on how to get one for yourself, and trust me, you'll be so happy about it. So just juice everything. This is your health in the cup. This is your health. This will save you lots and lots of money you would have spent treating your system of sicknesses, diseases you could have just like flushed with just a glass of a healthy cleanse like this. Yeah, so make sure you try these two recipes, whichever works for you. Alternate. Make sure every week you drink at least a glass of this and watch how your skin and your health will change. Watch how your life will improve, and you know. So, this is it. This juicer, if you are interested, I can link you up. As you can see, it got all the juice, and I don't throw this fiber. I add in a banana and drink it as my fat burning smoothie because fiber is raw fish and raw fish is very good for fat burning. So just give your juice a good mix. This is it. Just mix to one consistency and drink the glass of it, like all of it. Be stingy with this recipe, as I mentioned. If anyone begs for it, just give the person the recipe. Like, just share this recipe with your family and friends because this is something everyone has to do. They don't need to share this glass with you. Be stingy with it, darling. Drink everything alone. Yeah, I'm stingy with mine. So, this is it. These are the two recipes I wanted to share with you. Either of them, alternate. Make sure you drink at least one of these once every week and watch your skin and health change for life. You will never fall sick again, and make sure you're drinking lots of water again. I could not end this without reiterating the benefits of drinking water as well. If you want to improve your health and always be healthy, make sure you're drinking at least 2 liters of water a day to flush your system for you, cleanse your pores, flush excess sugars from your system, causing diabetes, flush excess sodiums. Like, water is the cheapest and healthiest cleanse your doctors will always recommend. Doctors will always tell you to drink lots and lots of water because this is the first and cheapest medicine you can find at your home. Yeah, so that is what I wanted to share with you. Tell a friend, tell a sister to drink more water. Try these recipes, come back and tell me how you feel about them, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and